praline topped sweet potatoes. This has become one of those family traditions at our house for Thanksgiving. Along with turkey and dressing, it's an absolute necessity. At least my family thinks so. Let me show you how to make this so you can make it for your family on Darlene's table. Good morning. Praline topped sweet potatoes. That's what I'm making today. Great Thanksgiving dish, great Christmas dish. It's a great dish anytime. But I'm going to start first with the topping, and then we'll set that aside and mix the sweet potatoes. So we're going to start with brown sugar, flour. I'm going to mix this up pretty good. One of the things that I do is I prefer using fresh sweet potatoes to make my sweet potato pies and this. So, you know, it's kind of a chore to do on the day that you're doing it. So I'll bake up a bunch of sweet potatoes and I'll freeze them in 4-cup packages because it takes 4 cups to make my sweet potato pie and it takes 4 cups to make this dish. Then you've got that much already done and you're not having to do it on the day that you're wanting to cook this. All right, so next I'm going to add the pecans, coconut, mix this real well. Oh, this is a really good topping. Add the melted butter and mix this well. You can also make this topping a couple of days ahead and just have it in a bag in your refrigerator. And then on the day that you prepare it, you've got all of that made. I'm going to set this topping aside and we'll work on the sweet potatoes. These are the sweet potatoes that I baked a week ago and froze in a 4-cup package. I'm going to add the cinnamon, 2 eggs. I will mix this. I'm adding 1 stick of melted butter. Well, I put half in first so I can mix it well. And this is salted butter. I'm adding the second half of the melted butter. I'm going to place this in a well-buttered 8x8 casserole dish. Spread it around and even it out a little bit. Ready for the topping. This is such a wonderful topping. Just spread it around evenly. Into the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. It's been 35 minutes. I believe this is ready. Oh, it's hot and bubbly, and that topping looks so good. A nice crunchy topping on top of these wonderful sweet potatoes. Oh, doesn't that look good? Crunchy topping of coconut, pecans, and brown sugar laid on a soft bed of mashed sweet potatoes. This is a wonderful side dish. I hope you give it a try. It could be your family's next food tradition. Anyway, we hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.